No problem. None.
Yung may balcony, sir.
Mm-mm.
Ngayon parang
This is Unit B. Wala pa siyang ilaw. Ayun doon. And the toilet. Anong toilet nasa pagpasok? Powder room. Yeah.
powder room. Then the masters.
The masters here. The Zist light. Mas malaki talaga pang masters. Siyempre.
Then walking closet.
Nice.
All ready for occupancy, right? So we have bank financing for the units, and yes, if you want to make reservations for the units here at Mariposa Muse, by Makiling Muse, because my maternal grandmother's last name is Makiling from Bohol, so probably related to the people around Mount Makiling. But this is Mariposa Muse by Makiling Muse, guys. So if you are interested in this project, we still have available units. There are 5 units per floor: A, B, C, D, and E. This is Unit D, and all Unit D are sold out. All units D are sold out. So we still have A, B, C, and E. So let's check the unit C. It's also a big unit in the next videos. Thank you.